Somewhere deep in the northern woods, tucked between pine trees and isolation, stood an old log cabin. It was very peaceful until the bear came. And then it came back again. It started with noise, scraping, shuffling, a pile of trash that was ripped to pieces. The next morning, claw marks were found on that cabin door. That night, the cabin's only occupant set a chair against the door, and he waited. Then at 2:12 a.m., the bear returned. It was a black bear, large, bold, and unafraid. It paced around the porch, pressed its snout to the glass, and tested the door. This wasn't just a visit, it was an attempt. By daylight, changes were made. Food was sealed and hung high up in the trees. Metal brackets reinforced the door. Motion sensor lights were rigged to trip a loudspeaker. These were not just precautions. These were serious cabin bear protection methods. On the third night, that same bear came back again, drawn by either scent or memory. But this time, it was met with flashing lights, noise, and nothing left to find. The plan worked. This is what real log cabin bear defense looks like. Out here, survival is not just about instincts, it's about preparation. Preventing bears from breaking into cabins is not a one time task, it is a lifestyle. For more true wilderness stories and the tactics that work, hit like, subscribe, and let us know. What would you do if a bear tried to break into your cabin?